is Mario. My pets are Pelusa and Scrappy. They all are approximately 2 years and they are fathers of 6 puppies. Puppies born on February 1st. They are 3 girls and 3 boys. I am going to introduce to you my puppy's pets. This is Raven, this is Falcon, this is Jet, this is Mocha, this is Lovely, and this is Daphne. I spend my time in the car, especially feeding almost every day in the afternoon. I'm going to show how I have to bring up to take a shower with them. The first step is wet it with warm water. The second step is apply it shampoo. The third step is remove the shampoo with more warm water. The fourth step is dry it. I return into the doghouse with her mother and she will up it. Since my puppy is born, I have gone clean up the doghouse every Friday. Finally, I spend my time to play with them.